Here with me.
Hi guys, welcome to 2Gs.
This is Ayushi,
And this is Mansi.
and we are reporting straight from the Spiral Center. Woohoo!
My spiral center change ho gaya, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
So, what are we spiraling about today?
So, we are going to deconstruct gossiping. Yay!
Wow, our favorite activity
Yes.
it's gossiping and sharing gossips about whatever we have heard. So,
We
मेरा,
are from Chalo Behan Chugli Kare gang. Ooh.
if you are to, please subscribe to us.
Yes.
बट आयुषी हम पहले ऐसे बात कर लेते हैं कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गॉसिप फॉर यू, बिकॉज गॉसिप को हमेशा एक मैलिस से देखा जाता है, बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज गॉसिप फॉर यू?
So, traditionally, gossip is rated very low in communication, and it is, like you said, seen with malice. But my definition of gossip is very different. I think that gossip, जहाँ पर आपकी gossip वो होती है where you are doing what you call as conscious complaining about your situations, and you are just venting out, or you're saying something that you can't say to the other person but you're sharing it with your loved ones. I think that's kind of valid. मतलब why not? I think so. मैं उस चीज को गॉसिप मानती हूँ और उस चीज में इंडल्ज करती हूँ because it helps you to cope with your situations, it helps you to cope with life when life is unfair to you. And I also think that in the most traditional sense जो gossip देखी जाती है where you say वो उस लड़की के साथ भाग गई या लड़के के साथ भाग गई या आई डोंट नो किसी के साथ भी भाग सकता है कोई इंसान, वो gossip में भी I feel like if you have healthy spaces with your friends or with your family where you are accessing those emotions, and while you're accessing those emotions it's not harming the person, right? कि आप भाई उसकी वीडियो बना के नहीं बोल रहे हो या वो कोट एंड कोट बदनामी उस तक नहीं पहुंच रही है, you are just with your friends. I think that is also kind of fair. I don't know, like this video is about me also figuring out what I think, but yeah, we do it like accessing. I watched a video on gossip for this video, and I saw that people through gossip have ways to access their jealousy and envy, and if you have healthy spaces for you to access those emotions and not feel envious of them, sorry, not feel ashamed of them, then why not? So I think, yeah, this is, I don't know, I think अब मेरे को बाद में ऐसा ना हो कि लोग बोले ये चुगली आंटी.
बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आप अगर अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो तो वो गॉसिप नहीं है,
Okay.
because you are part of it. But what if I heard somebody doing something and then I talked to you about it? तो मेरे को लगता है how you communicate also is mattering here, because I may be like coming up with an idea, yaar, this happened and I feel too much about this because this is not something that reflects on me. Or this is something that reflects on me. Now, I might be spreading a rumor because I just heard something and I'm just sharing it to you. Because gossip को तो rumors की तरह ही देखा जाता है. When you're gossiping, you're also following the rumors and like बदनामी कर रहे हो, whatever. वही है उसका connotation. क्योंकि हम वो भी देख रहे थे कि gossip को बहुत ही gendered किया गया है कि it's a very feminine activity even with Bible and even in Islam or
It's seen
religious
a
ground पे.
haram,
It's
yeah.
seen as a haram for a reason, na? Then because people are connotating it as something which is negative, which is not something which is even gray right now. It's coming as
It's-
black.
It's black. And I think maybe we can make an entire video about gossip and women, but gossip is also used as a way to demean women.
Yes.
तो वो तो है ही, मतलब गॉसिप का एक नेगेटिव है. बट मानसी, मुझे आई रियली लाइक योर आइडिया वेयर यू सेड दैट आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो वो गॉसिप बहुत मैटर करती है. सी दिस एंटायर वीडियो इज जस्ट अस जस्टिफाइंग दैट वी लाइक doing gossip.
So we'll do anything and everything to just justify that. But people still see it as a gossip, and I understand where they're coming from because गॉसिप की एक स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेशन है जो आपको गूगल पे मिल जाएगी, विकिपीडिया पे मिल जाएगी, और नोबडी इज सेइंग दैट इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव.
It's the grapevine. I've
It's a great point. जबकि मैंने BSc में पढ़ा that it's an informal way of communication and bonding with your teams or bonding with
commerce
whatever.
with maths.
तो आप ये भी पढ़ रहे हो कि गॉसिप लोग कर रहे हैं इन अ वर्क स्पेस, चलो ठीक है, बट रैंडमली भी मैं अगर रैंडमली आयुषी से कुछ डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, आई डोंट नो हाउ मच ऑफ माय एक्सपीरियंस मैटर्स व्हेन आई डिस्कस समथिंग विद यू. I can just hear something and I can just discuss it with you. I feel that way.
Like, as long as it is for you to cope with it, it's fine. And it's not something that has defamatory elements to it. If that is not the intent, then I heard this really amazing word, ethical and empathetic gossiping.
Oh my God.
EEG.
Let's talk about that. Do you think gossip is ever gonna be ethical, or there is any ethical grounds to gossiping?
Even though ethics and gossip sounds oxymoronic, the way we perceive gossip is perceived in a way that it's unethical. But I don't think so. Like I said, I think we are repeating too much, but anything that leads to coping your life better, or just sometimes it helps you bond, or even if you're discussing somebody else's life, if it is not intended to defame them and you have some opinions about it that you're sharing in closed doors with your friends who you trust, then what's the harm? So I don't think so. It's, you can go into those, I don't know if that is the intent of EEG, but I think you can.
But do you think कि gossip से private चीज public हो रही है in certain sense? Because gossip होती है एक line को तोड़ के private information को public कर रही है whenever you discuss it with whatever intent you have. मेरे को लगता है मैं यहाँ पे फ्लॉ, मतलब मेरे को लगता है यहाँ पे मेरा वो एथिकल ग्राउंड चला जाता है कि despite the fact that it has not happened with me, I might not be there, I heard something and I told anybody else about it, am I not then being part of that web of making that private information public?
Yeah, like you are being the चार लोग.
Yeah.
लोग क्या कहेंगे उसके आप हो लोग.
Yes.
हाँ, मतलब अगर if you go to the nitty gritties, then yes, you are discussing somebody else's life to somebody who is not associated to that life. वो तो है, but
मजा आता है.
फिर जब मैं और मानसी फ्राइडे बैठ के if we are meeting out, हम क्या ब्रेक डाउन करें? I mean, I know, but I still think that you can't just see everything black and white. There are always caveats to it. Like, अगर आप किसी इंसान को बता रहे हो जो इंसान no way in any form उस इंसान से related है, जैसे कि you saying something about your office mates to me. I am not even in that field. I will never ever go to your office, but you're telling it to me. So what kind of impact will that have? But we ended up sharing something that is happening. So ये मेरा point of view है. ये काफी open ended है, मतलब हमारे को चार लोग आके बोल सकते
हैं कि अगर ये वेब में वापस नहीं पहुंचा उस बंदे के बाद, then we are like ठीक है.
हाँ, but again, none of this is me saying कि मोहल्ले में जो gossip होती है या जो भी कि यार उसने ये कपड़ा पहना तो जरूर वो मतलब कि homosexual हो, none of that kind of gossip I endorse at all. That can never be ethical. So
what you're trying to say is you can be cruel to people only who are cruel to us. ऐसा कुछ, मतलब क्या बोल रहे हैं हम थोड़ा सा ऐसा कर रहे हैं. And मेरा मतलब बहुत ही ethical ground, मैं अपना ethical ground, personal ethical ground share करना चाहती हूँ with gossiping, because मैं apparently I'm called a gossip person. तो मैं बस बताना चाहती हूँ कि मेरा ethical ground है कि अगर किसी की कोई private test information है, I will never dare to share it with anybody because they have trusted me with that information.
100%.
But if there is something which is out in public, then I lose my consciousness and I'm like, ये तो सबको पता है, ये तो मैं बता ही सकती हूँ.
If somebody has explicitly told you, मतलब कि यार ये मेरा बहुत private emotion है.
कोई, but आप खुद judge कर लेते हो ना.
Okay.
Somebody coming out to you telling you about somebody cheating, somebody cheated on them, somebody doing something to them. These are very private information, and as humans you are like, हाँ ये तो private है यार, ये कैसे बता दूँ? ये gossip भी नहीं है. That is not gossip for me.
Yeah, that's not gossip. That's their life.
Yes, but अगर किसी के साथ किसी का चक्कर चल रहा है, मैं ये तो funny बात है, ये तो funny है, ये तो आप बता ही सकते हो.
Yeah, right. I mean, I think it is also the way we gossip. We don't gossip in a very judgmental kind of way. We gossip because how we gossip about people who impact us. हम जनरल में कभी ऐसे गॉसिप हम वी आर नॉट दैट मच इंटरेस्टेड कि भाई मोहल्ले में क्या चल रहा है, बट वी हैव सर्टेन पीपल हु अफेक्ट इन अ सर्टेन वे, बट वी डोंट हैव the we can't confront them, तो हमारी gossip, like we also consider that as a gossip. But again, I've also sat with a group of people who are judgmental for no bloody reason, right? कि कोई चलते हुए जा रहे हैं, like देखा उसने क्या जूते पहने हैं, वो सब उसको अब मैं कभी जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकती हूँ. तो अगेन दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑन डिस्क्रेशन ऑफ somebody and how they see gossip, because we both define it for ourselves and we adhere to it. Somebody else will say no, even that is not right. So they might not even do it. Or somebody is just उसकी बहू तो भाई खाना बहुत गंदा बनाती है और ये सब आंटियों को पता होना चाहिए. That could be your gossip, and we don't endorse that kind of gossip. I don't endorse it.
But since you mentioned that we gossip about things that affect us, why are we doing celeb gossips?
Yeah, that is us. That is our number one gossiping. We discuss celebrity
and I think that's
gossip.
why we're doing this, क्योंकि अभी आपने कार्तिक आर्यन की न्यूज़ सुनी होगी about things that are happening. Everybody is on the Reddit.
Everybody's on Reddit. Everybody's on Insta celeb gossip and or Bolly celeb gossip subreddit.
Now let's talk about the actual topic, because इससे पहले हम सिर्फ हम अपने आप को justify कर रहे थे. अभी हम इस पे बात करते हैं.
It really fascinates me कि हम इतने celebrity पगलू क्यों हैं.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है सेलिब्रिटी, मेरे लिए सेलिब्रिटी में कुछ भी नेगेटिव न्यूज ना बहुत जल्दी फैलती है. ये मैं नेगेटिव न्यूज की बात कर रही हूँ. इट कुड बी कि आप मतलब हम पॉजिटिव न्यूज भी डिस्कस करते हैं, इसकी इससे शादी हो रही है, इसका बच्चा हो रहा है, बट उसमें हम इतना डिग डीप नहीं करते. हम हमेशा उसी में डिग डीप करते हैं जहाँ पे कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल आ चुका होता है हमारी नजरों में. सो वो कि मुझे लगता है सेलेब्स को हम एक नजरिए से देखते हैं, which is like my idols. If I want to know about Shah Rukh Khan, okay, what is Shah Rukh Khan doing? Okay, what's happening with him? उतना मैं देखना शुरू कर दूंगी because I see him as an idol, and also it gives me, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मुझे सेलेब गॉसिप इसलिए भी चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे एक कम्युनिकेशन के लिए आइस ब्रेकर मिल जाता है. मुझे पर्सनली, ये मेरा ओपिनियन है, बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी सोशल पर्सन, विच मीन्स कि मुझे कुछ आइस ब्रेकिंग चाहिए. ओ माई गॉड, डिड यू हियर अबाउट दिस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एंड I have also stopped using allegedly now, which is problematic. But I just share it like I know them personally. So मेरे आई थिंक ये एक दो रीजंस हैं जिनके लिए मैं पर्सनली सेलेब गॉसिप बहुत कंज्यूम करती हूँ. आई फॉलो ऑल दिस मानव मंगलानी, व्हाटएवर, विरल भियानी, व्हाटएवर, मैं सबको फॉलो करती हूँ. इसका नाम विरल, but it is very word play of him, तो ठीक है.
Okay.
तो मैं इसलिए फॉलो करती हूँ. ओके, दिस पर्सन इज गोइंग हियर, ओके दिस पर्सन इज डूइंग दैट, एंड आल्सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड एस्केपिज्म फॉर मी. मुझे तो एस्केप लगता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे अपने बारे में, अपने दोस्तों, क्योंकि बहुत रियलिटी है ना तुम्हारे साथ. इट्स लाइक बिग बॉस. हाँ, तुम्हारे साथ रियलिटी है. उनके साथ आप एक स्टिल एक फैंटेसी, एक मूवी देख रहे हो उनके साथ. तो मुझे लगता है उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ फॉर मी इज जस्ट फॉर entertainment. I just do it for entertainment sakes, no other reason. I think yes, like एक way में we project our fantasies onto them because we see certain them playing certain characters that we find perfect in our eyes. Just say for example Shah Rukh Khan and his romantic roles, so we project that वो राज जैसा ही real में होगा. So you kind of project those fantasies and those images onto them. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि secretly also we don't see them as part of who we are, and maybe they are not. See, they are sitting on in an economic bracket that is way above us, so their lives are certainly not like ours. But the way we perceive the film industry is that we think that what they do does not happen in our lives.
लाइक अगर वहाँ कास्टिंग काउच हो रहा है तो वो हमारी बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में थोड़ा ना होता है, बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में थोड़ा ना पॉश लगता है, या बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में पीपल आर नॉट स्लीपिंग थ्रू देयर वे और गेटिंग हरास्ड बिकॉज ऑफ इट. So so we attach it, we see it like a zoo, we see it like these really quote unquote good looking people who have filthy amounts of money. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि that it's something different, it's something different and we need to know. And maybe because you feel like you can never have it, is there, do you think, Mansi, it also comes from a place that we want something negative to be part of their lives? Like we are looking for something sinister because we always associate debauchery, we always associate drugs लेते होंगे, live in करते हैं, open marriages हैं. Most of the rumors if you hear, it's like इनकी शादी open marriage है, ये swingers हैं. This is like a lot of rumors that कि ये
because हर चीज too good to be true हो जाएगी ना.
हाँ,
पैसा भी है, इतनी अच्छी पत्नी भी है, इतना अच्छा बच्चा भी है, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब there are two contradictions in the way that you look at, you know, the film industry in any part of the world, I feel. One is that where you project your fantasies, on the other way you secretly want something कि या कुछ sinister reveal हो, कुछ तो हो कि भाई वो कोक करता हो या वो हेरोइन करता हो. एंड इवन दो दोज एलिमेंट्स आपको लाइफ में बाकी जगहों पर भी मिलेंगे. Even let me address the controversy, nepotism. It might not be as clear, but look at politics. It is extremely nepotistic. Doctors and engineers की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, but look at politics. Look at great businessmen who give their businesses to their kids. It is extremely nepotistic. So even in government jobs or any big like lawyers में आप देखिए, आपको सीधा पूछते हैं आप कौन से जनरेशन के लॉयर हो. आप जब तक आप सेकंड जनरेशन लॉयर नहीं हो तब तक सक्सेस इज नॉट गारंटीड टू यू. यू हैव टू रियली स्ट्रगल. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि नेपोटिज्म, ड्रग्स, debauchery that we associate with them, or even I would say sexual depravity बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज के पार्ट नहीं है, बाकी इकोसिस्टम्स के पार्ट नहीं है, बट हम वो नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते. हमें लगता है ये सिर्फ इन्हीं के है.
But do you also think that while we dehumanize them in certain sense, ki they are away from us, we see them as an outsider, through these sinister things, we are actually humanizing them?
हाँ, मतलब
ये
it
कि
could
हम भी
be.
तो है.
It could be that you're like they, like you said, they could be too good to be true. So क्या, what we need something to make us believe that no, it's not true. No, it's not true. Look what they are doing, right? कि भाई Ranveer and it's, I think it's because of, now I feel it's more of a reaction to the crazy PR that happens. So people are like नहीं यार इतना भी नहीं होगा. हाँ.
So while we have discussed kind of कि हम थोड़ा सा alienated है, but also trying to humanize these celebs, but also trying to do a lot of things, and that's why we get attracted to celeb gossips. But what is your favorite platform?
It's Reddit. It's like I said, Insta celeb gossip and Bolly celeb gossip. These are like two mains. But अब बहुत छोटे 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 भी आ गए हैं.
Subreddits बन चुके हैं उनके,
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग आ चुके हैं. मेरे को कभी Reddit यूज करना नहीं आया apparently.
Yeah.
But आजकल मेरे टॉप, मैंने सिर्फ इन लोगों को फॉलो कर रखा है somehow on Reddit. I could have done something good.
I have not even followed them. It comes on my
Because
For
it
You
knows
page.
ना you.
With that I read it.
Algo.
Yes, 100%. But I think that Reddit phenomenon should be studied into infinity, because again it can be seen as an anthropological study हो सकती है, because it also showcases the way we are as a society. You know, and we both watched a TED talk that addressed this, that the way you perceive gossip, it reflects the society's moral codes. और वो रेडिट पे बहुत क्लियरली आपको दिख जाएगा. एंड व्हाई आई थिंक रेडिट स्पेसिफिकली इज बिकॉज इट्स नॉट it's not as simple as tabloids, or it's not as simple as जो HT City आता था या टाइम्स में आता था, क्योंकि उधर एक जर्नलिस्ट होती थी जो एक न्यूज़ को ब्रेक कर रही है, या कोई जो पिक्चर्स हैं वो पॉपुलर हो गए हैं और हम अपने घरों में वो बातें डिस्कस करते थे, और अगर वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही कंट्रोवर्शियल होता था तो वो स्कैंडल बन जाता था, या लोग पुतले जलाने शुरू कर देते थे बाहर. लाइक दिस वाज समथिंग we grew up with. ये gossip होती है. But Reddit has given anonymity and access to everybody, and that is a different phenomenon in itself. Like तारा सुतारिया का भी अभी जैसे कि हुआ था, तो when you see on Reddit, like to go back to the anthropology वाला point, you can see कि भाई it is so much easier for you to assassinate the character of a girl, कि देखो वो वीर पहाड़िया के साथ क्या कर रही है, she is hugging him, and oh, Veer is such a cuckold. That is the meme, that oh, she cuckolded him, और देखो ऐसा boy best friend के साथ लड़कियां ऐसा करती हैं. And so you can see कि that is the theme of our society. Like you can see those elements in our society कि yes, this is the larger film, because how you filter through the information or filter through what is given to you, you filter through your own perceptions and biases. So एक तो वो चीज मुझे Reddit से काफी strongly realize हुई कि एक नहीं 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 सिर्फ यही चीज बोल रहे हैं. And it becomes, रात में न्यूज डली है, सुबह it blows over and it's everywhere. You switch off your Reddit, you go to Instagram, you have 4 meme pages posting it.
No.
And we should talk about how it is also manufactured. But and it then starts to take the likes of a mob. Mob mentality होती है ना, पीटो, वो भी आ रहा है, वो भी आ रहा है, चौथा आदमी भी. And जब mob होती है, there are so many studies, people just they do things to extreme because there is a group of people who are sanctioning that action to be all right. अगर mob किसी को पीटने जाए तो कुछ भी कर सकती है. That's why you are scared of mobs. So I think Reddit kind of mirrors that mob mentality. What do you think, Mansi?
I was just reading through the theory of de-individualization by Le Bon, where he was just talking about the fact that how when you are in a group, like you are a crowd, Reddit पे एक crowd है जहाँ पे आपकी, क्योंकि आप crowd में हो, आप anonymous हो, तो आपका consciousness चला जाता है. आप conscious नहीं हो, आप you are like, I can say whatever and I can say it to an extreme that will give me an emotional validation of whatever I am feeling through it.
Like Kartik Aaryan is a pedophile.
Yes. And it just spread through without validating anything. And of course, you were saying that filtering through that personal bias that she was also talking about, you were also talking about. Filtering bias कर रहे हो ना आप, क्योंकि कार्तिक आर्यन मुझे नहीं पसंद, I will just believe it. But if you talk same thing about somebody even I like, I will be like, no, I don't feel it. I think this negative PR. So you are being conscious that way when your identity is revealed. So what I feel, मैं difference बता रही हूँ कि Reddit और Insta में मुझे यही difference maximize लगता है कि Instagram पे लोग filter होके बात करते हैं. Reddit पे people go extreme with their emotions because they are also getting that instant gratification of votes. आपके ऊपर लोग बात कर रहे हैं, लोग constantly उसका एक thread बन चुका है. Now you are apparently famous in your own head. This anonymous person is
like people usually when I read the comments on the thread, ऐसा होता है मैं भी उससे एयरपोर्ट पे मिला, उसने मेरे से हाथ नहीं मिलाया, ये तो बहुत रूड है. None of it can be verified. And again, it's very ironic because gossip in itself is unverified. Informal information can also be rumors. But when you gossip within each other, there are less, the level of impact it will have on that person's life than you writing it on a platform that fuels it. Completely different. आप किसी के भी, for example, let's talk about Kartik Aaryan being a PDF is what is written. But this is like, oh, we woke up and realized that, oh, Kartik Aaryan is a pedophile. Now what kind of data you have to support it. We have two random photos of a girl who is supposedly 18 years old or lesser
Yes, sir.
in मतलब laying down on a sunbed, जिसके ऊपर जो तौलिया रखा हुआ है वो कार्तिक आर्यन के तौलिया से मैच करता है. एक ये एविडेंस है. दूसरा एविडेंस है that they used to follow each other. एक ही एविडेंस है. तो भाई ये दो एविडेंस है.
Third evidence is her friends were also in that thread.
Yeah,
and
they
they were
were-
saying कि no, he asked her out.
He
she
asked her
rejected.
out. He rejected. Somebody also, they were post about, these are like 4 to 5 evidences.
And then there's a whole Snapchat thread
There's a
of
Snapchat
him,
thread.
him saying shit to women or
Shit
whatever.
to women. So these are like 6 evidences that we have that he is a pedophile. Now, we are not commenting if it is valid or not.
But it's funny because it's not pedophile क्योंकि UK में legal है.
No, I think UK में भी
16 है.
अच्छा.
Moral ground हमारे है.
Of course, but still, we will still
Age
say
gap,
it
हाँ.
is horrible
Yes.
because you are 37-year-old and they are a teenager, whoever. What if Kartik Aaryan comes with a large, massive 2 महीने बाद, 3 महीने बाद, 4 महीने बाद कि देखो ये evidences हैं. But somebody going to that extreme and saying, oh, he's a pedophile, how much will that impact on somebody's life? Whatever they will do, and none of it is alleged.
Yeah.
None of it is alleged.
That's why I was saying that I have also forgotten to use the word allegedly. I've heard that these guys are
because
doing
the
this.
friends who have said that they are friends of the girls
Yes.
have given no proof. They have just made a comment that we are friends with her and he came and he asked her. We don't know if they are her friends. How do you know? It's not a court of law. You can say whatever you want to say. And then that girl, she's saying, I don't know Kartik Aaryan. She even wrote a caption on it.
Bio.
A bio, yeah. So there is no way to verify any of this. No person, no Instagram influencer who reports such Reddit sub-threads ever call those people जो journalism में होता है. You verify the information, you call those people, you ask them, you even say that we approach them, but
they have denied it.
They have denied it. So you have this huge rumor, gossip on a platform where people are anonymous and there is no way to verify it. And you can say anything.
You present them on social media.
Yes.
For the crime they might have.
And then you have labeled somebody a pedophile, you have labeled somebody characterless, you have labeled somebody cuckold, and now there are no consequences. Like, okay.
On consequence on you. They might have their own consequences, but there's no consequence on me.
On you, yes. There are consequences on the person who is saying it.
Yeah.
Because we are anonymous. A, B, it is gossip. You came on this thread, you should know we do this only. That is their defense. This is a very personal opinion. I do not believe that somebody was watching Kartik Aaryan's story and then was like, oh, wait, there's this girls out of nowhere who posted this similar picture. I mean, I can't believe somebody can be this vela. I can't.
But India में
unemployment hai, Mansi, but look at how many odds have to come in place for somebody to notice this and then come up with this conclusion कि sunbed पे ना वो brown और white strips के towels हैं, उसके में भी है लड़की. फिर मैं इसके पेज पे जाऊंगा उम्र के हिसाब से देखूं. Don't you like either it just doesn't feel like a common human being अपने घर में जो एंट्रेंस के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहा हो और उसके पास कुछ ना हो और वो ये काम कर रहा है. I don't believe this.
I believe this, but
you do.
There are fan pages who are doing this only. There are fan pages who are doing this.
But Mansi, I feel like those fan pages are also PR.
Of course they are part of the PR. Now people are, of course that's why people are saying ना कि negative PR करवा, negative publicity कार्तिक आर्यन ने खुद ही कराई है अपनी.
हाँ मतलब this should be like we should wait and think about it. Do you think, Mansi, that this somebody truly came up with this and posted it on the group?
No, I don't know about that, but I'm saying that people have time, energy, people actually do this. Because I do this with my own people. I can do this.
With your, yeah, with the
I have
people.
the potential. If I love somebody and if I want, oh, I was just missing this person, let me go through them, let me go through their social media, let me go through what they're doing.
Yes.
And I just could, I have brought
But-
evidences for you.
No, 1,000,000%. बट अगर मैं सिर्फ कार्तिक आर्यन को फॉलो करती हूँ तो मेरे पास उस स्टोरी का एक्सेस कहाँ से आएगा? या मैं हर उस इंसान को फॉलो करूंगी जिसको कार्तिक आर्यन फॉलो करता है?
Could be anything.
That's what I'm saying. It's so weird. How did those stories come into being? मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि and that's the thing. You don't know what is real and what is not. किसी को था whatever reason. It could be manufactured because I also do this with people I know. Like if there is a couple who post a lot and suddenly they go silent and delete their pictures. So I'm like, I need to know.
No,
I need to know.
what's happening?
I'm invested in this relationship. I need an answer. Okay, but for this to make sense, somebody has to follow everybody who Kartik Aaryan follows, and then they have to match those stories with Kartik Aaryan's stories, and then somehow magically they'll be like, ये दोनों एक ही बीच पे हैं, ये दोनों एक दूसरे को फॉलो करते हैं, ये दोनों एक रिलेशनशिप में हैं, और ये लड़की 18 साल से कम है, ये पेडोफाइल है. अब मैं ये सब कंक्लूजन करके अब मैं रेडिट पे डालूंगा. Do you think?
But I think Reddit is about speed. मुझे तो लगता है randomly लोगों ने start किया and then they started validating it. It started with random things. कार्तिक आर्यन के बारे में लोग वैसे भी बहुत ही बेकार बोलते थे. About his relationship history. Nobody has said ever good about him when it comes to relationships. I think people just brought anything up. Then they started finding evidences. Then they started finding people who will start that. Because thread start करने में क्या? मैं अभी लिख दूं कार्तिक आर्यन is this person. थ्रेड चालू हो चुका है. अब लोग मुझे एविडेंस लाके देंगे. मुझे नहीं चाहिए एविडेंस देके आऊं. मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ एविडेंस देने. मैं तो अपने आप को फेमस कर रही हूँ एनोनिमसली कि I bring in this random things and people start following me because I bring in controversies, I bring in controversial opinion, and I am getting more upvotes. I am getting more people to engage with my things, and people are sharing my information. I become this confident.
Like I can just say Kartik Aaryan is a creep.
Yes.
And then maybe somebody.
You will get 10 people who will validate that information
that's
for you
true.
and bring in कि भाई उसने वो स्टोरी डाली थी, उसने कृति सनन के साथ ये किया, उसने इसके साथ ये किया, जानवी कपूर के साथ ये हुआ, तुमने ये वाला एपिसोड देखा था या नहीं? People will come with so much information. तुझे करने की मेहनत भी नहीं करनी है तुझे.
So this all started like this.
I think it can start like that, na? When you think about it, because I was not there in the beginning also. मैं तो कार्तिक आर्यन, I give zero shit about him. So I don't care about Kartik Aaryan.
Yes,
right?
Because when I opened Reddit, because
it was just there.
It was just these two images that were मतलब वैसा photo side by side था, and that was my first thought. I'm like, okay, but किसने इतना level का कि भाई कि आप कार्तिक आर्यन की बीच फोटो देख सकते हो, बट उससे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फोटो लेके आना एंड देन मेकिंग दोज डिडक्शंस. क्योंकि यार अगर आप गोवा में गए हो तो सारे सन बेड्स एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं, बट स्टिल उनका प्लेसमेंट बहुत पास हो सनबेड्स.
वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट भी वहीं पे था भाई. मैंने
कोर्ट भी वहीं
कुछ
पर है.
तो अलग कर लेते हैं.
तो मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है, मेरा कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी है, दिस इज माय कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी, दैट देयर आर अ बंच ऑफ पीपल as part of celebrities PR package where their only job is to keep tabs on the other actors, their competitors, and they might have their internal rumors कि ये आदमी के बारे में हमें ये उड़ती उड़ती खबर आ रही है. And when somebody slips up, I'm saying कि कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ हुआ है, but if somebody slips up, वो सीधा Reddit पे डाल देते हैं. This is my conspiracy theory.
Slips up in PR agency.
No, like Kartik Aaryan slip, like anyone. Tara Sutaria ka, like maybe there are rumors ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा हो रहा है, and then these people whose only job is to make such gossips. तो उसने मेरे वीडियो डाली क्योंकि मुझे भी ऐसा लगा था कि कोई कॉन्सर्ट पे गया, they can see what is happening, so you are not seeing these opinions on Instagram reels. It first goes on Reddit.
No.
And it comes from Instagram. So you're like, यार already ये चल रहा है, हम इसको ऐसे डिफेम करते हैं, इसका ये रील बना के डालो.
मतलब PR का तो ऐसा है, देखो.
I don't know, this is my conspiracy theory.
No, it's a very valid conspiracy theory.
With influencers, their whatever beef they do with each other, it seems more
Planned.
organic.
Oh, I thought it was planned.
No, I feel like they don't have such strong PR artilleries where they are, you know, कि दूसरे मतलब कि just an example कि रेबल और सूफी का लड़ाई हुआ, so मुझे वो लड़ाई ऑर्गेनिक लगती है because I don't think they are equipped to that level of PR कि वो भाई सूफी के बारे में rumors PR spread कर रही है. मुझे लगता है उनकी fights ऑर्गेनिक होती हैं because
Okay, in that way. Got it.
But when it comes to something like Kartik Aaryan's rumor, Tara Sutaria's rumors, और कौन से rumors हैं? Varun Dhawan. I feel like there are genuine criticism to it, of course. But I also feel that there is not even rumors. Look at Ambani की शादी के level का PR.
That was the PR.
That is PR. But you think that, oh, people are so obsessed with the rich, you're seeing everything there all the time.
What is wrong in monetizing on whatever is happening for you? Because they are monetizing.
No, everything is wrong with that.
Capitalist world mein nothing is wrong, but I'm just joking.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying that they're trying to monetize on whatever is going on in the market, and they're trying to use it to be just valid in the market, to be there.
Yeah, but they're trying to do this to distract you from all the other things they do.
Of course. Of course. But
Like,
these are things that everybody is doing and it's getting normalized because अभी वही तो है कि अभी जैसे कि my conscious kick in, I always see it कि negative PR लग रहा है मुझे. मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि this is the reality. ये मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ. But of course कार्तिक आर्यन का केस बहुत different है. But with random things also I see it as a PR. Like जो भी मैं दीपेंद्र गोयल पे ऑब्सेस कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बस बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जो उसने वो जो चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ की पोजीशन डाली थी, it was a fucking PR because पंजाब में Zomato was delivering drugs and they want to hide that information, and to hide that information they brought in this new thing.
Oh really?
Yes, and this is alleged information.
Alleged
है, but I know of this. I'm just saying that this was happening in Punjab, that drugs were getting delivered from restaurants through their person, and of course they want to hide that information, and to conceal that they brought in a random new information so that you don't get attracted to that information.
Oh, I did see that post. He's like, he also came up with some idiotic, you will work with us but we won't pay you
20 lakhs rupees he was taking from them as an MBA thing.
Yes,
that post was a PR stunt.
He also did that PR where he became a delivery boy.
Yeah, वो तो चलो ठीक है, you're trying to still do something positive about it, but
that was a ridiculous PR by the way.
wife, उसकी wife करती रहती है, उसकी wife है ना,
instead of paying them you are doing that bloody PR.
That PR तो चलो they do, they fire somebody, they hire somebody, that is something that is doing. But now वही ethical ground, कितना morality आप कितना questionable morality में वो PR कर रहे हो, that is the only point I think we are trying to
mean this spiral is all about just
questioning the morality
questioning
of our own selves.
Yes, and that's why like it's very difficult, and this is what will now happen in the world that we are going forward with. There's nothing you can trust with AI coming in with such strong in or being this. There is 80s के actors के पास PR नहीं होता था. So you have institutions and organized sectors that are just sitting there doing this.
Yes.
like I said, that's why it's very difficult for me to believe, even though like you made a very convincing point कि ऐसा कोई वेला हो सकता है, वो भी है, वो हम हमेशा रखते हैं, but it makes me very it is very difficult for me to believe that कोई इतना अंदरूनी जाके कोई चीज वो करता
But
है.
actually, लोगों के पास मैं भी बता रही हूँ, न्यूज चैनल्स आर नॉट वैलिडेटिंग एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन,
Yes,
पीआर
na,
एजेंसीज आर नॉट वैलिडेटिंग. धर्मेंद्र जी इंसिडेंट हैपेंड, पीआर एजेंसीज, मतलब these news agencies fucked it
you
up.
know what I found was organic when Virat Kohli liked Amneet Kaur's photo.
Because that is like, okay, brain rot.
No,
अभी
but
भी
I found that to be organic. I'm like, हाँ वो कर सकता है, like people can notice this because they can follow Virat Kohli's
और
page
वो लाइक में आ जाएगा.
and you can follow Amneet Kaur's page simultaneously. Amneet Kaur, I think that's her name. Sorry, and you can see it. Oh,
No,
Virat.
you can just see if you're just following Virat also, you can see the like thing, na?
हाँ, you can see it, or you like people. Yesterday itself, I saw a post where Raisa Pandey, I think Ananya Pandey's sister, she liked one of the memes about Kartik Aaryan situation. So this is still for me, a common person can notice this because it's much, but somebody, I
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि these anonymous people don't want to take a responsibility of anything. कि अगर आपने कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट करी है, they are not even ready to take the responsibility for it, और आपको उसको responsibility है भी नहीं.
and it gets very, like you said, it gets very wild and extreme because one Reddit thing that really affected me, and that influencer also ended up addressing it, is Ankita Sehgal, I think her name was, and she started making vlogs on YouTube. And there was this person who wrote a very vile post where she said something along the lines is that she is very unkempt, she looks like she doesn't take a bath, and I get it that she's a new mother, but I'm also a new mother, and I don't look this unkempt the way she does in her household. And it was so vile that uh, people, few of the people even pointed it out, and the way that the influencer then ended up, I won't say influencer but content creator, ended up addressing it. She's like, I read this post and I had just started my making vlogs, and it demotivated me and it made me look myself so differently. So look, there are no repercussions on the person who did it, who wrote this, who was having a bad day somewhere and ended up watching her vlog and actively decided to write that thing on her on
But that's like trolling, na?
But that's again, that's
But that's you see trolling as also part of gossips.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
So this is the level of gossip, is none of it is, so you have democratized the means of gossip. Like पहले सिर्फ जर्नलिस्ट करता था, बट अब सब करते हैं, अब सब ब्लाइंड्स दे सकते हैं बॉलीवुड के, अब सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक
आपने एक ओपन स्पेस, मुझे लगता है रेडिट का एक ही इशू है कि आपने एक ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म दे दिया सबको. अब आप कुछ भी करो इस प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ.
yes,
which is under no legal, under no moral, under no social, under nothing, no responsibility. You do whatever you want to do with Reddit, and it's not even targeting to you guys, it's also targeting to us. Because whatever we are consuming and believing, and we are treating these celebrities or these people as genuine consumable content, dehumanizing them and seeing them as whatever, I can just do whatever to them. मतलब आप, क्योंकि आप मेरे को ऐसा लगता है as humans ना, हम empathy भी उन्हें देते हैं जो deserve करते हैं हमारी नजरों में.
yes, you don't feel empathetic for somebody who earns in crores.
Yes.
You don't feel it, so it's okay if you are saying anything to them, even like a lot of, so वही है कि भाई check yourself what you're doing. But Mansi, is there any rumor on Bolly Insta celeb that you think is true?
All of them. मैं तो बहुत जल्दी बिलीव कर लेती हूँ कि अच्छा शायद तो उन्होंने चीट किया होगा, हाँ किया होगा. Because why would I not believe it? मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि cheating is so human. कि कर सकता है कोई इंसान, चीट कर लिया उसने in the moment. ओ वो कैरेट वाले, और कैरेट वाले ने सिर्फ शाहिद कपूर को क्यों बुलाया?
So
उनकी शादी में सिर्फ शाहिद कपूर क्यों था?
you
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा बाइसेक्सुअल होगा? बहुत बिलीवेबल है ये खबरें.
Okay, क्या he is a beard for Karan Johar or something?
Yeah.
No, Kiara Advani is a beard for Siddharth.
whoever, I don't care. मैं तो मतलब, but the point is कि मैं किससे बात करूंगी तो मैं बोल दूंगी. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि my cruelty of believing and spreading is so invisible for celebrity कि I am not, मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ कि I am disillusioned with the fact कि उनको क्या फर्क पड़ेगा मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Because हम सिर्फ पढ़ के बिलीव कर रहे हैं, हम लिखते कुछ भी नहीं है.
हाँ, I'm not, but मैं अपने 4 सर्कल में बोल रही हूँ, which is same.
हाँ, but yeah, that's true. But again, we are not contributing to the thread. और जिन 4 सर्कल में तुम बात कर रहे हो, मैं उस सर्कल का पार्ट हूँ. हम कहीं कुछ नहीं लिखते हैं. We just read something, we discuss it with ourselves, and we're like ha ha ha, and then you move on. So that is again, what is the ethics of it, we don't know. But none of it is contributing to the larger thread.
But all in all, I think what we're trying to say, it is reflecting on our own emotions. It is also reflecting on our own finding mistakes in anybody and everybody, despite the fact, because उनके पास इतना, मतलब आप पंचअप कर रहे हो थोड़ा सा. मुझे तो ये लगता है कि आप पंचअप जोक्स कर सकते हो, आप पंचअप चीजें कर सकते हो. क्योंकि मैं, आयुषी को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बट मैं हर जोक के लिए इसलिए वैलिडेट कर देती हूँ कि पंचअप जोक है, कर लो. कि अगर एक औरत एक मर्द को बोल रही है, I'm like, बोलो पंचअप. पर एक मर्द एक औरत को क्यों बोल रहा है? शट अप.
You are saying that celebrities are so good, like societally so stable, so it's fine if you gossip about them.
Yeah, if you gossip about Trump being on Epstein Island.
No, that's not gossip, that's fact.
See?
That's not gossip, that's
I'm just saying that. उसके बाद आप, ठीक है वो factual है, but उसके अंदर क्या क्या हुआ आप सब बात कर रहे हो.
Yeah, true.
तो उसको कोई validate नहीं कर रहा है.
Yes, and we have to also believe that a lot of news also broke out because of gossip. You know, things, a lot of things that were taboo and मतलब कि जैसे बड़ा कोई स्टार है, वो grapevine से ही शुरू होता है. It always starts with grapevine. It's like इस आदमी के पास मत जाना because he is a bit iffy. I'm talking about Bollywood or any kind of industry where people are like informally एक लड़की दूसरे को बता देती है यार ये लड़का थोड़ा creepy है. So it could be defamatory. But again, there are like layers to it. Like sometimes this kind of information also protects you, or sometimes it brings things out in the open.
Yes. So you are saying that gossip, जिससे किसी लड़की का किसी का घर बसे, वो gossip नहीं है. सही है.
मतलब कुछ cases में gossip is just unverified fact.
So punch down gossip is wrong. Punch up gossip
But
is
this is
okay.
punch down now when you say
I'm
that
just saying
somebody
the
is creepy, but if it's helping somebody avoid that person and because किसी का personal experience हो रहा है, तो again gossip and उसके मतलब माया अपरंपार.
Yes. So what is the rumor, Aishi? तूने नहीं बताया.
My rumor, I
Favorite
think
rumor of life.
one thing that I am believing right now is that Kusha is dating Bassi.
I'm not.
You don't believe
I
it?
don't.
You don't? I thought that is quite believable.
क्योंकि वो साथ में चलते हैं हर जगह.
Yeah, because I read it somewhere that you know Komal Pandey had to delete a video of her birthday because Bassi was sitting behind her, or Dolly Singh. Somebody had to delete, and I actually saw that photo. Then I went on Reddit. Then I went back on the page. It was no longer there. So I think they said they kind of made calculations and they're like, इसने
See, people
बोला
are doing that. People have time. You also have time. See, people
But-
are doing it.
yeah. But again, this is still for me. This is a doable labor. If I can do it, it's doable.
You what you need to do is you need to start a thread. Sushi is alive. People will come and tell you sushi is alive. कर ले जो करना है.
Sushi Sushant Singh Rajput.
and Ayushi get
I used to
together.
love him.
Yes. So he's
I
alive.
love him. I still love him. But
Yes.
हाँ.
So he's alive, and people will give you 4 facts. Will say alive. कहीं ना कहीं से उसकी स्टोरी निकाले. अभी 2 दिन पहले डाली है उसने. कुछ भी रैंडम लोग कर सकते हैं. And
You know,
and
you
we live in
should-
AI world.
They should comment down below where which side they are on. ये spiral भी नहीं हुआ, ये तो complete podcast ही हो गया यार. But it was fun.
हाँ, so I think what we are saying, हमें हमें पता नहीं हमें एंड क्या करना है इसमें. हम I think आप लोग बता पाओगे कि क्या ethical gossip exist करती है. I think we are on a questionable side where we say we don't also think so, but we also think so.
We will continue gossiping. What if this whole episode is a gossip? It is a gossip,
हमने
right?
कुछ ज्यादा बता दिया जो हमें पता है.
I think
हम इसे Reddit पर डालें तो. What do you think? हम Reddit शुरू
this
करें guys.
this feels like gossip because we are just giving our opinions without any verified.
Do you think हमें
sources.
Reddit पे अपना एक पेज चालू करना चाहिए और हम अपने नाम से करेंगे? What do you think?
पहले आप हमें यहाँ तो follow कीजिए.
नहीं, Reddit पे जल्दी बढ़ेंगे आयुषा. Reddit पे तो
Okay.
हम ऐसे controversial चीजें डालेंगे ना.
Whatever we'll say after this, we'll just make it worse. So we'll conclude that we gossiped with you today.
Yay.
And what did we gossip about?
Anything and everything.
No, we gossiped about gossip.
Sorry guys, I
Yeah.
missed the joke.
And everything and anything on earth.
Yes. Thank you if you're still here. आपको क्या लगता है अपने opinion on gossip? Please बताइए. हमें नहीं पता हमें क्या feel करना है, but we are feeling whatever. Thank you if you were still here. We will say it again. We are not professionals
We are barely humans.
and gossipers.
Yes.
So thank you. Please subscribe to us. हमें please यार 2026 चालू हो चुका है. Please इस साल हमें famous होना है. इस साल हमें भी चाहिए कि Reddit पे हमारे लिए thread जिस पे आप हमें गाली दो, कुछ भी करो. Please हमें भी चाहिए. Please, bye.
Jai Mata Di, let's rock.
Yeah, हमेशा शमी. Okay, thanks.